In the dusky twilight of the American frontier, echoes of colonial conquests whispered. As the sun bowed to the horizon, a nation blossomed amidst innovation's pulse, strife, and ironclad resilience. From revolution's fiery embers sprouted a freedom beacon, the United States. The Declaration of Independence's ink signaled a nation's birth, fortified by towering ideals and a passionate liberty craving. Yet among the jubilation, slavery's shackles cast a grim shadow, a stark reminder of the chasm between ambition and truth. Wagon wheels rumble and horses' clatter echoed across uncharted territories as pioneers carved roots into the wild. The Old West swelled with tales of cowboys, lawmen, outlaws, a narrative spun with grit, determination, and cultural collision. In the Civil War's crucible, sibling battled sibling in a cataclysmic struggle for the nation's soul. This conflict's scars etched an enduring mark on the American conscience, a testament to the relentless